Hey everybody, Shoaib Kaiser here and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of external plumbing. You see that house over there? Brick siding, fancy windows means nothing if the plumbing's bad. We're talking about the arteries and veins of your property, the stuff you don't see that can cause huge headaches if it's not done right. We're going to walk you through everything from the water main coming in to getting rid of waste the right way, and even how to protect your biggest investment from fire. Whether you're a homeowner or thinking about tackling a project, this is your one-stop shop for external plumbing knowledge. We're talking years of experience distilled into easy-to-understand advice. Remember, doing it right the first time saves you time, money, and a whole lot of stress down the road. So let's get right to it. First things first, let's talk water supply. You need clean, reliable water coming into your house, right? We're talking about that main line connection, making sure it's the right size, the right material, and installed without cutting corners. Don't even get me started on shoddy connections. I've seen them all, and trust me, they come back to bite you. And it's not just about getting water to the house, it's about getting it where it needs to go once it's inside. Hot water lines, cold water lines, all need to be properly insulated, laid out logically and with enough pressure so you're not stuck with a trickle when you need a torrent. We'll show you the signs of trouble, how to prevent leaks, and when to call in a pro. Okay, so we got clean water coming in. Now let's talk about what goes out. Ignoring your sewer and drainage is a recipe for disaster, folks. We're talking about proper sloping, the right type of pipes, and making sure everything flows away from your foundation. And don't forget about those pesky tree roots. They love sewer lines, but we'll show you how to keep them at bay. We'll cover it all, from your home's sewer line to the municipal connection and everything in between. Plus, I'll give you my 2 cents on septic systems and why regular maintenance is key. Let's talk about safety for a minute, folks. Fire is every homeowner's nightmare, and having a proper fire hydrant and sprinkler system can be the difference between a close call and a catastrophe. We're going to cover the importance of fire-rated piping, strategically placed hydrants, and how to make sure your system's always in tip-top shape. And hey, don't forget about those emergency shut-off valves. They're like the unsung heroes of plumbing, ready to stop a small leak from turning into a major disaster. We'll show you where they should be, how to test them, and why you should never ever ignore them. Gas lines are nothing to mess around with, folks. We're talking serious safety hazards if they're not installed and maintained by a licensed professional. We'll discuss the different types of gas pipes, how to identify leaks, hint, it's not just about the smell, and why regular inspections are non-negotiable. Remember, if you smell gas, get everyone out of the house and call the gas company immediately. No exceptions. We'll also discuss the importance of proper ventilation and why you should never ever try to DIY a gas line repair. Leave that to the pros. Now, let's talk about being environmentally conscious and saving some money on your water bill. Greywater systems take gently used water from your sinks and showers and repurpose it for irrigation. It's a fantastic way to conserve water and reduce your environmental footprint. We'll walk you through the basics of setting up a greywater system, what you can and can't use it for, and how it can benefit both your wallet and the planet. And while we're on the topic of water conservation, let's not forget about rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater is a great way to reduce your reliance on municipal water, and it's easier than you might think. We'll discuss different types of rainwater harvesting systems, from simple rain barrels to more elaborate setups, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Now let's move outside and talk about those essential outdoor fixtures. We're talking about everything from frost-proof faucets and hose bibs to those fancy outdoor kitchens with sinks and dishwashers. We'll cover proper installation techniques, winterization tips, and how to keep those outdoor fixtures running smoothly year-round. And hey, who doesn't love a beautiful water feature? We'll also touch on installing fountains, ponds, and other water features that can add a touch of tranquility to your outdoor space. We'll discuss the plumbing considerations, water treatment options, and how to keep those features sparkling clean. Finally, let's talk about industrial and commercial plumbing. This is heavy-duty stuff, folks. We're talking about large-scale drainage systems, high-capacity water lines, and specialized equipment to handle everything from chemical waste to high-pressure cleaning. Whether you're running a factory, a restaurant, or a multi-story office building, we'll cover the unique plumbing challenges that come with these larger-scale projects. And we can't forget about safety and compliance. Industrial and commercial plumbing systems often have stringent regulations to follow, and we'll guide you through the maze of permits, inspections, and best practices to ensure your systems are up to code and operating safely. So there you have it, folks, a crash course in everything external plumbing. Remember, a solid plumbing system is the foundation of any well-built home or property. Don't cut corners, do your research, and don't be afraid to call in a pro when you need one. Trust me, it's always better to be safe than sorry. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. And be sure to check out our website for more information, articles, and resources to help you tackle your next plumbing project. Until next time, I'm Shoaib Kaiser, reminding you to always build it right.